Today we're going to be installing some door lock actuators to help pop open the car doors. Alright, so I made up a contraption originally where I just did a loop and attached it to the end of the wire that's going through the cable. But what happened is I couldn't get enough length to get it onto the door handle or the door latch. So I needed something adjustable because it needs to be short enough once it's installed and latched onto the latch or added to the latch. Then I need to shorten it up. So I needed something adjustable, and so with my kit came these little, I don't know what you call them, little stems I'll call them. And then this is adjustable, I can slide up and down, so it kind of makes it perfect. So we're going to try that option and see what happens. All right, so I got this latch down, and if I hit my remote, unlatches, the other side unlatches, and then as a safety, I have window up, window down, so that way I could get the window down and actually get in the car if I needed to. So it's going pretty good. I couldn't get the wireless to work at first, and I thought something was, you know, went bad or something like that, and I couldn't tell if there was power to the unit, so I pulled it out and I got to work. I think I just needed to reprogram these, or maybe I didn't program both remotes, I don't remember. So, but yeah, getting back into that stuff was not so fun. And looking at this was not so fun. But you know, as soon as I get this body off the car, this is the next step, is dealing with that, and that's crazy. So we'll see how it goes, but so far so good. I'm feeling pretty good about the doors. Hopefully there's not too much adjustment that I need to do, that the stuff is yep, good to go. So I'm really happy about that. I don't know why I was so intimidated before, but I got these new ones in, and they're solid, man. I mean, they're rock solid in there. It was really easy to put in, and I used the original wires that I believe is used for the door handles or something. It came with the car and the sheathing, so good to go. Excited about that. One thing left to do. So the other thing is I talked to Greg, and as you know in my last video, it was waving the white flag and surrendering. So I decided, well, let me finish, you know, the door hookups, get that going, and then I think I'm going to put the hard top back on and paste the window back in, and drive it around for a while, because Greg's super busy at this moment, and I want to have the car ready to go at any time to like take it down there and have him work on it. So I think that's what I'm going to do, is just build the car back up a little bit and get it ready to rock and roll, put a few more miles on it, make sure everything's doing good, get a little more engine time. And then I have a bunch of stuff to do. I have rear differential plate that I want to put on. I want to redo my trans pan with a new pan and also new gasket. I'm not thrilled with the one that's on there. And I haven't checked to see if I solved my oil leak. I definitely, I believe, solved the top, because I'm not seeing any residue anymore up here. But I haven't really taken it out too far. It looks nice and dry down there in that little brass piece. But that's why I want to get it back out there and kind of test it some more. So, of course, I'm doing that as we go into summer here. So my timing's always impeccable. Why not be at this stage in the winter? So one last thing I wanted to show you is I have this set up to where, because of the suicide doors, the wireless is defeated when the engine is on. So for instance, if I hit this, you hear some movement. But if I put this one click over, nothing works on the remote. So that's, there you go. So that's my safety feature. So nothing crazy happens when I'm driving down the road and scoops air and rips the door off. In any case, there we go. So have a great day, everybody.